Tonight on Hip on the Spot News. The Fulcrum will benefit from a separate DLC in DCS. The NS430 will be integrated by ED for this module. The Iraq map gets the user-requested airfields in the region. And we got more flight sim products for review. This and more on How I Played. This video is sponsored by Next Level Racing. Get their products using our discount link. Hello virtual pilots, I'm Andre Celesti, and tonight we are going to talk about the latest news in DCS world. The Fulcrum is almost here, or could be launched by the time we posted this video. Of course, if that happens, we will come back with a post-launch report as we always do. But in the meantime, we got some info that could come handy for those of you looking to take this baby for a spin and navigate your way into enemy territory. Why navigation? Well, in one of the in-development MiG-29A official screenshots, we noticed the NS430 3D model inside the cockpit on the right-hand side. Would this be an optional system like before or integrated in the module? Well, we had to be sure, so we asked ED about it.
So, will it be? What did they say?
Well, we can rest assured that the NS430 GPS nav system will be an optional purchase like before. And no, this is not a new thing. For those of you not knowing, this DLC is an optional add-on module for most DCS world aircraft. It provides powerful yet intuitive navigation and radio communication options to supplement the navigation and radio systems already integrated into your aircraft.
Well, I never used it.
Neither did I, but the NS430 is particularly useful for older aircraft with less sophisticated navigation and communication systems. This module provides ability to display the NS430 as a pop-up window in almost all aircraft. Of course, the exceptions are being made for those who have already their own advanced navigation systems, and it makes sense. Now, the system itself comes as a 2D window, but you can buy it separately as an integrated cockpit panel option for the Mi-8, L-39 Albatros, the Gazelle, other modules, and now, of course, the MiG-29A Fulcrum.
You mean later?
Yes, when the module will be available. Also, keep in mind that you will need the base system in order to use the 3D model version of it. Check the description carefully, it's good to know. And so, we dealt with the navigation system dilemma, but what else is new? Well, we got some sneak peeks from ED with the MiG-29 mirror movements.
Wow, impressive.
And the drag chute. And that's it. In other news, ED lets us know that work has focused on completing the Iraq North region, with clip map refinements, corrected road and rail alignments, and more lakes. They also said that we can expect new airfields that include the H2, H3 Main, H3 Northwest, H3 Southwest, and Al-Qut and Mosul.
Or how our American friends like to call it, Mosul.
Now, the existing airfields have also received attention with refined embankments, fixed taxiway collision, and added ground support objects. Interesting enough, they have cleaned up some hangars of excess detail and unified settings so that all non-destructible models are correctly flagged as indestructible. All of this will ensure consistent behavior across the map as they move into the next round of art and performance passes. Following the release of the Iraq North update, the full attention of the Iraq map team will focus on the southern region to include all portions of southern Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, and Qatar. They say that much of this work has already started, along with the addition of several Iranian airfields to allow the Iran-Iraq war scenarios. Well, it seems that they listened. Not bad. Not bad at all. Meanwhile, on the C-130 frontline, the module is expected to be showcased at the upcoming Sim Gaming Expo in Chicago this weekend, where users will be able to try a short mission made by the famous Baltic Dragon. Exciting! Let me know if any of you are planning to visit the expo, as this year we will definitely not be able to travel in the US because of our move to Finland. Meanwhile, Magnitude 3 posted their understanding on frustrations for some users that have with the mirrors and new engine management. It seems that for the mirrors, the code was accidentally overwritten, and they'll get that rectified. But they're also going to evaluate the community's input of game versus realism for the new engine constraints and ruggedness. Good to know. In other news, get ready to see new products being reviewed on the channel, like the brand new Next Level Racing SimPit chair or the A106 Pro A32X light overhead panel made by RTR Hobby. There's a lot of work behind the scenes, and I can't wait to share our impressions on the new flight sim products here on the channel. Meanwhile, the HIP Dynamic server is getting ready for its first open beta test. As we advance in development, we can now announce that on the 7th of October, the gates will be open to the public, this time in an open beta with more missions, more systems, and more fun. After the previous stress test, we are confident to prepare for the server release later this year. And this new open beta test will provide ample information on how the mission system is working. Plus, there's the new XP and campaign progression, and many other new additions. Our talented team behind this project have done an amazing job in their efforts to complete this mighty task. Powered by Fox 3 Managed Solutions, this server will provide a new experience to DCS pilots, professional and casual players. And to make the open beta launch even more interesting, the TGFB coder Tobias prepared for us a Battle Royale event that premieres on the 6th of October, one day before our test, followed by another round on the 8th, where enlisting users will be able to experience the thrills of fighting for progression in a free-for-all type of event that will test your skills and mastery over different modules. We will cover more about this event as we get closer and closer to the premiere. And there is plenty of information in the video description on the TGFB webpage. Make sure to check it out. Thank you all for watching until the end of our video. Many thanks to our Patreons that support the channel. And if you find the video informative, give us a like and subscribe to keep in touch with all the latest news on your favorite simulators and games. As always, I'm Andre Celesti, reminding you to fly safe, and I'll see you next time.